In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a profit and loss statement in FreshBooks. A profit and loss statement, often called a P&L or income statement, shows your revenue, your expenses, and the net profit or loss for a specific period. It's one of the fastest ways to understand how your business is performing and to prepare for taxes or share updates with partners. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your FreshBooks account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, which gives you a quick snapshot of your business. From here, you'll navigate to the reporting area where FreshBooks organizes all the financial insights you can generate. Look for the Reports option in the main menu. Click it to open the Reports hub. This page groups reports by category and makes it easy to find what you need. Since we're creating a profit and loss statement, locate the profit and loss report in the list and select it. FreshBooks will load the report with a default date range so you can see your revenue, cost of goods sold if applicable, operating expenses, and your net income at the bottom. Next, adjust the reporting period to match what you want to analyze. You'll see a date range control near the top of the report. Choose a preset like this month, last month, this year, or customize a start and end date to align with a fiscal quarter or any specific time frame you need. After you set the dates, the report refreshes to reflect your selection. Take a moment to scan the categories. Your totals depend on how well your income and expenses are categorized in FreshBooks, so if something looks off, it's usually assigned to review recent transactions later. When the report looks right, you have two convenient ways to share or save it. If you want to work with the numbers, click Export to Excel. This downloads an .xlsx file you can open in your spreadsheet tool to add notes, build charts, or combine with other data. If you need to send the statement to a client, partner, or advisor, use the Send option. FreshBooks will package the report and email it directly from the app, keeping everything consistent and professional. Before sending, it's a good idea to glance at the totals one last time and make sure the date range is exactly what your recipient expects. That's it. Go to FreshBooks, open Reports, select Profit and Loss, adjust your dates, and then export to Excel or send the statement. For the most accurate results, keep your transactions up to date and consistently categorized. With that, your P&L is ready whenever you need it.